In this video, we'll explain how to properly install Speedtek's Real Glass Rear Wiper Replacement Plug. We'll give you tips and show you what to look out for during installation. The rear wiper glass plug can be ordered and fits almost all vehicles with a rear wiper. A list of vehicles and specific models can be found on Speedtek's website at www.speedtek.de. The first step in the installation process is to remove the existing rear window wiper. Depending on the model of your car, this can be a difficult process. Using a special pulling tool can help, but it isn't necessary. Once the nut is removed, applying firm pressure on the back of the wiper is often good enough to detach it from the wiper arm. After removing the wiper arm, continue the installation on the inside of the liftgate. To remove cover panels and trim pieces, look for screw connections and loosen them. Depending on your vehicle, these can be attached in different places. Be sure to consult your owner's manual. Use a plastic wedge to gently pry away any fastening clips and remove the cover panels. Once the panel is removed, unplug the connection to the rear wiper motor. Depending on the model of your car, you might also find a hose for the wiper fluid. Remove the hose and plug it using a screw. This will prevent washer fluid from leaking into the liftgate if the rear wiper is unintentionally activated later on. We're now ready to remove the wiper motor. Simply remove the nuts and take out the entire component. Once the wiper motor is removed, take out any rubber gaskets and then clean the hole inside and out using glass cleaner. The next step in the installation process is to check the fit of the glass plug. If necessary, measure both the hole and the plug diameter before installation. Test the fit of the plug by carefully inserting it into the hole, but don't force it. If the stopper is too tight, the opening can be widened using some fine grit sandpaper. Please note, we can't assume any liability or guarantee in the event of damage. After testing the fit, it's time to apply the optionally available special adhesive. Apply a generous amount of the adhesive around the entire edge of the glass plug. Now insert the plug into the rear window from behind. Precise alignment of the plug is important. The outside surface of the glass should be perfectly flush with the outside of the rear window. If you need to make any adjustments, simply apply pressure to the front or back of the glass plug. If any of the glue squeezes out, you can simply wipe it away. If you find any larger gaps in the adhesive, fill them with adhesive from the outside. After about 12 hours, the glue will be fully cured. To avoid any annoying rattling noises, consider fastening the wiper motor connectors with cable ties inside the liftgate before reinstalling the cover panels. If necessary, and with a little patience, the rear wiper plug can be removed, and it's possible to reinstall the rear wiper motor again.